Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to manage a school library system using Airtable, your 2025 full guide. First off, set up your Airtable account. This helps us build a digital base for the library. Now that we've done that, you will create a new base and name it School Library System. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated workspace for your library management. Next up, structure your base to include tables for books, students, and borrowed books. This way, you can keep records of all books, track who borrowed what and when. Don't forget to add essential fields in each table. For instance, books may have title, author, genre, and availability. Students can include name, grade, and books borrowed, while borrowed books should have student, book, and return date. This helps us because we can access all necessary information in one place. Once you've set up your tables, it's time to enforce some rules. In Airtable, you can create automations. For instance, when a book moves to borrowed books, it automatically updates its availability in books to unavailable. This helps to keep your data accurate and up to date, reducing manual input. Now, let me explain why this matters. By using Airtable, you're not only digitizing your library system, but also streamlining the process. You can check book availability, track due dates, and even send automated reminders to students all from this one platform. And that wraps up our tutorial on managing a school library system using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your base structured and utilize automations for efficiency. Your library management is now a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.